In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a YouTube banner. Creating an eye-catching and professional banner is crucial for setting the right first impression for your channel. With a little creativity and the right tools, you can craft a banner that makes your YouTube page stand out. Today, we'll use Canva, a popular and user-friendly design tool, perfect even if you're new to graphic design. First, head over to canva.com. If you don't have an account, signing up is quick and easy. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top and type in YouTube banner. This search will bring up a wide range of templates designed with YouTube's banner dimensions in mind, so you won't need to worry about cropping or resizing later. Browse through the templates. Canva provides a variety of styles, from bold and vibrant to minimalistic options. Choose one that fits your channel's theme or aesthetic. Remember, your banner reflects your content, so pick a design that captures the essence of your channel. After selecting a template, click Customize this template. This is where the fun begins as you tailor your banner to fit your personal style and message. Canva offers versatile customization options. You can change fonts, colors, and add elements like shapes or lines. If you have a logo, upload it and incorporate it into your design for a personalized touch. Think about what your banner should communicate. Successful banners often include a concise tagline or upload schedule, giving viewers an idea of what and when to expect content. You can also include your social media handles to extend engagement beyond YouTube. Take your time experimenting with color schemes and layouts. Even subtle changes can significantly impact the overall feel of your banner. Use Canva's drag and drop functionality to arrange elements until the composition feels right. Once satisfied, save and download your banner by clicking the download button at the top right and choosing a file format. PNG is recommended for higher quality, while JPEG works for smaller file sizes. Finally, upload your new banner to your YouTube channel. A well-designed banner not only strengthens your branding, but also shows viewers that you care about your channel's presentation. Enjoy your new look and see how it transforms your channel into a visually stunning platform. Happy designing!